Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aisada. I run a fashion and lifestyle blog called Tones of Trends, where I tend to document anything fashion related, including outfit of the days, fashion inspiration, anything along those lines. So if you're in the market for anything like that, I will be linking all of those links down below, including my socials. And I hope to see you guys there so we can connect. But let's now get into the point of this video, which is the Loewe Basket Bag unwrapping. As you can see, I have the box sitting right here next to me. I made this purchase about a week ago, and this had been on my wish list for a little over 2 years, which I think is the amount of time this bag has been around, or it could be longer, and I could be wrong. But I had wanted this bag. It's the perfect summer spring accessory in my opinion, and it was definitely one of those wish lists that I wanted to check off this year. So I did, and as I said, I got this a week ago. Basically, I called, so I live in New York, and I called the Loewe store down in Soho and asked them if they had this in. Basically, I was still deciding between the white version of this and the brown version, and ultimately I decided to go with the brown, but I ended up calling the store so I can go in and try both versions before I made my decision, and that's exactly what I did. So I called, went in, tried it on, and ended up walking out with the brown, and I'm super happy with it, and I'm gonna tell you guys why later on in the video. But without further ado, let's just get to the bag. So when you buy it, it comes in this Loewe box. It's so pretty, very aesthetically pleasing, very black and white, and actually like matches my outfit today. But this is what it comes in, and then once you go in, this is the beauty here. As I said, I ended up going with the brown, and this is what it looks like with the Loewe logo. Super beautiful. But essentially, when you actually buy the bag, it comes in this cotton thing. But then I decided to actually use this in the bag. So essentially, like when I start wearing this bag out this spring and summer, I will be putting all of my things in here. Basically, like I'm trying to avoid spills and things touching this beauty, and I feel like this is definitely like a good barrier to do so. Let's get into pricing. So this is the medium size. This bag comes in small, medium, and large. I have the medium size, and this one costs $490. The small, I believe, is $450, and I think the large is really expensive. It might be like $500 or $600 or more. I think it might be like $1,000 or something. I could be wrong. I haven't looked this up, but this medium one was $490 plus tax. It came out to like $513, and I know that's a lot for a basket bag, but this is something I had wanted, and I just decided to like splurge on myself this year, and that's exactly what I did. These straps are adjustable. If you want to make it shorter, you just have to remove this and do so up here, and then the same thing in the front. If you want to adjust it, you could do that. There's like a little, I don't know if you guys could see, but there is a Loewe logo on the straps inside. Just those little details. Obviously the logo is also right here, beautifully done. So what I love about Loewe is that they make really great products, but it's like really understated, and it's just super chic. And I would say that's so my aesthetic. That's why I decided to move forward with this, because I love their aesthetic. I love the craftsmanship of the things they do, and I just knew that I could see myself wearing this a lot. So for me, investing in it made sense. Another thing is that people tend to like associate basket bags with certain seasons, which is like summer. But I feel like the way this one was created, you could literally wear it in spring, in summer, and in fall. And I really love that about this bag. I see myself wearing it a lot. I see it going with a lot of my outfits, and I really, really, really like that about it. But yeah, she's so beautiful, isn't she? I could see myself admiring it for hours and hours and hours. Yeah, that's basically it. As I said, this bag comes in a lot of different sizes, so you don't have to go with the medium if you wanted to. If you're someone who likes smaller things, you could go with the small, or if you're someone who actually wants to use it for the beach, which I think basket bags are for, and you want to fit a lot of things in there, then you could definitely go with the large. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of this Loewe review. If you would like me to do more of these videos where I show you my purchases and doing first impressions and reviews, definitely feel free to give this one a big thumbs up so I know that you guys like this. As I said in the beginning of the video, I do document my daily style and outfits over on my Instagram, which is also at Tones of Trends, and I will definitely be linking that in the description, so definitely feel free to follow along if you want to see what my personal style is. And I also have a website actually where I also document everything, which I will also be linking down below. I just want to be friends with you guys, you know what I mean? So let's connect. Put a heart actually under my pictures so I know you're from YouTube. If you decide to follow me on Instagram, put a heart down so I know you saw this video and are from YouTube. I definitely plan to make more videos like this year because I enjoy doing stuff like this. I don't know why I'm just starting this, but I definitely enjoy it and hope to make more. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope to see you guys in my next video and hope you have a great rest of your day. See you soon. Bye.